Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a versatile and fun product, the Anpro all-in-one makeup carry case with Pro Teen Makeup Set. This full starter cosmetics kit is designed to bring everything a teen or beginner needs for a complete makeup routine. The kit includes a 24-color eyeshadow palette, a 4-color lip gloss palette, a blush palette, body glitter gel, temporary tattoo stickers, and more, all packed in a sleek, fully portable case. This carry case is compact, measuring just 6.7 by 2.8 by 5.9 inches, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go makeup sessions. The sturdy aluminum frame adds durability, while the top handle provides easy portability. The case also includes a handy mirror, makeup brushes, and a makeup remover wipe, all neatly organized. When it comes to performance, the product delivers. The pigmentation of the eyeshadows and blushes is vibrant, making it easy to achieve a full-face look with smooth application. The temporary tattoo stickers are a fun touch for those looking to express personal style in a playful way. The glitter gel adds a little extra sparkle, perfect for parties or a night out. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this makeup set offers a great variety of colors and textures that can be used for both everyday looks and more dramatic styles. It's also skin-friendly, free from phthalates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. The downside? The case's compact size might be a bit limiting for those who want larger palettes or a more extensive brush collection. For comparison, there are similar sets from brands like ColourPop and BH Cosmetics, which might offer slightly more advanced formulations or larger selections of products. However, those options often come at a higher price point, making this set a more affordable option for beginners or teens. In terms of value for money, the Anpro set is a solid investment for its price. You're getting a wide range of products, a stylish and durable case, and a portable design, all at an affordable price. The quality of the makeup products and tools is good for a starter kit, and the inclusion of temporary tattoos and glitter gels adds a fun twist that makes it stand out. The build quality of the case itself feels sturdy, with the reinforced aluminum frame adding to its longevity. While it's compact, it doesn't feel flimsy, so it should hold up well with proper care. As for user-friendliness, this makeup kit is incredibly easy to use, especially for beginners. The variety of makeup options allows for experimenting without being overwhelming, and everything is neatly packed in one place for convenience. If you're enjoying this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more great content from Beautyistic. Your support means we can keep bringing you in-depth reviews on all the latest beauty products. In terms of customer support, we haven't heard any major complaints, which is always a good sign. The brand appears to stand behind its products, and the included makeup remover wipe shows consideration for easy cleanup after use. After testing this kit in real-world scenarios, I found it perfect for a quick makeup routine. The eyeshadows blend well, the blushes offer a nice flush, and the glitter gel adds just the right amount of shine. The brushes perform well for basic use, though they may not be suitable for professional-level makeup application. Overall, I recommend this product for beginners, teens, or anyone looking for a fun, all-in-one makeup kit. It's a thoughtful gift and a perfect set for those just starting to experiment with makeup. Whether you're buying it for a younger family member or yourself, it's a great way to explore different colors and textures without a huge investment. Before I wrap up, thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of the Anpro makeup kit? Have you tried it out yet? Let me know.